In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cool ads using Google Ads in 2025. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your cool ads up and running. Let's dive right in. First, we need to start by heading over to the Google Ads website. You can easily do this by entering Google Ads into your preferred search engine, or simply by typing the URL directly if you're familiar with it. Once you're on the site, look towards the upper right corner of the page and you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to enter your credentials if you're not already logged in. You'll need an active Google account to access the Google Ads services, so make sure to have that handy. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads homepage. Take a moment to navigate and familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new to it. Once you're ready, look for the Campaigns tab in the side menu. Clicking on this will take us to a page where we can manage all of our ad campaigns. This is where we'll be setting up our cool ad. On the Campaigns page, you'll find an Ads tab. Click on it to proceed further. This section is dedicated to creating and managing the ads themselves. You'll notice here that there's an option labeled Create Ad. As you might have guessed, this is our next step, so go ahead and click on it. Once you do, a new set of options will unfold. Among these options, look for Cool Ad. Selecting this option indicates you're setting up an advertisement designed specifically to prompt user calls, ideal for businesses that thrive on customer telephone interactions. It's important to understand that cool ads appear on devices capable of making calls such as mobile phones. While you're setting up your cool ad, pay attention to details like writing a compelling ad copy and ensuring your phone number is correctly displayed. This will significantly improve user engagement and click-through rates. Remember, your cool ad is more than just an invitation to call. It's an introduction to your brand or service, so craft your message thoughtfully. Once you've selected cool ad, the platform will guide you through entering the necessary details, such as your business name, phone number, and the ad copy, all while offering previews so you can see how your ad will appear to users. Taking the time to set up these details accurately ensures that potential customers have a clear idea of what to expect when they call you. After filling in all the required information and reviewing your ad to ensure everything looks right, you can proceed to launch your ad. And there you have it. You've just set up your cool ad in Google Ads for 2025. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Take advantage of these cool ads to increase customer interaction and queries about your services or products. Good luck!